Hey guys, it's me Ashley. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's that big red button that says subscribe on it right down there to be notified every single time that I post a video. First off, I want to say happy Thanksgiving weekend. I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving with your family, and I know that I'm very grateful for mine, and I wouldn't be here literally today if it weren't for my family and their support. And so for today's video, I'm going to be doing a what's in my makeup bag. So as you can see, I just showed you, this is my makeup bag. I recently just got it yesterday, so this is my makeup bag, and it's I got it off of Amazon, but the brand is Well Travel, right there, and it's the blue floral pattern in case any of you are interested. And yeah, it cost only $10. It was great, free shipping too, so that was awesome. I mean, so this makeup bag is different in that when you open it, it's not like it opens up. It's actually, it has a hook, and when you open it, it's supposed to be hung like on a hook or something like that in your bathroom or wherever you are. And so yeah, that's pretty cool because then you have everything displayed out in front of you. But it can also get pretty problematic because when you when it's not hung, it goes like this and all the things in the pockets can fall out, so you know that sucks. But yeah, so this looks like on the inside. It has pockets up here, there's a big pocket in here and a pocket right here. So we are going to start with this pocket right here. So the first thing I'm pulling out of this pocket is the Iko's black skinny eyeliner that I got in my October Birchbox, and I haven't used it yet. I've used it because I don't know how to use eyeliner, so I'm kind of just like testing it out on myself. But yeah, I managed to do eyeliner decently like one time, so the more I do it, the more I'll improve. And the next thing I'm pulling out is this NYX Voluptuous Mascara that I got at Nordstrom Rack, I think. Yeah, this is NYX Voluptuous Mascara. It's huge. It's a really big one. This one adds more volume. I also haven't used this yet because I'm kind of waiting to get for my other mascara to run out. But yeah, this is what the brush looks like. And yeah, I love mascara. I think mascara is like my favorite makeup product to use. I don't know why it adds so much volume to your eyelashes, and you can't really see my eyelashes, like even when I'm looking at the camera I can't see it, so like it just makes it more visible, you know. The next thing I'm pulling out is my favorite mascara at the moment, which is the MAC Extended Play Lash Mascara, and I've shown this in my mini MAC and Sephora haul when I posted like a year back or whatever. And yes, so this is my favorite right now. It's the blue bottle. It's really simple mascara. It has this way smaller brush. Like, do you see that? This is my favorite one. And the last thing I have in this pocket is this mirror. And I have a mirror in here, even though I don't really use it. Like, I don't know. But, you know, I don't usually use this mirror, but like, you know, it's a mirror. Yeah, this mirror looks like a jewel, whatever. Yeah, it's a simple mirror. Like, you use the mirror to apply makeup, but I don't use that. I usuly use like the mirror that comes in the shadow palettes. So next we are going to do what's in these two pockets on the makeup bag, which is easily the open pockets. So like if you put the top of this down, these are things that usually fall out, and because I don't really always have a hook. But yeah, so the first thing I am pulling out is this first lipstick, which is by Lancome, because that's the rose on top, and it's called Pink to the Curb. Yeah, Pink to the Club, I mean. And this is my favorite lipstick. It's so sparkly. It looks like red on me, but you know, it's so very sparkly. Like, do you see that? The sparkle? Yeah, it's so sparkly. I love this one. This is the one I wore to my ball. It's my senior ball. The thing I'm pulling out is this Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint that I also got in my October Birchbox, which is my last video. And this shade of pink is called Auckland, and This is lip paint, so like it has a different style of brush than I'm used to, because like, you know, lipstick you kind of just like this, and this one has this type of brush and it has a little lip up there and you kind of just like paint it on your lips and stuff. The next one, lipstick I'm pulling out, is this another one by Lancome. It's called Love It, and it's a cream colored one. It's a pink cream, so it kind of like matches my my lip tone, kind of a little bit. It's more of a natural colors. I only wear natural colors because like I don't want to do anything like too extravagant. So yeah, this is what that pink looks like. Last lipstick in this first pocket is called Trendy Mauve. It's cream colored, but this time it's a brown, like more, it's like a brownish one. You could really see the blue with this. This was a good one. I don't really use this one a lot because it's a little bit messed up, but yeah, you see that? It's a little bit browner, a little more nude than usual. So yeah. Now on to the pocket right next to it, the other mesh pocket. The first thing I'm pulling out is this Love of Color Liquid Shimmer Shadow, which I actually got in my November Birchbox. And I did the November unboxing on my Instagram story. My Instagram story is linked down below on my Instagram. And this shade is called Aurora. Every time I say Aurora, I think of that one dog. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. Kind of a very like, you know, nude pink-ish color. So yeah. So this is what that looks like. On the other side, Love of Color Liquid Shimmer Eyeshadow, which I never ever knew was a thing. Like, liquid eyeshadow. What? That shows you how much I know about makeup, I guess. The next thing I'm going to pull out is this, oh yeah, Makeup Revolution eye primer. And the primer is stuff that you put on before you put on your eyeshadow, just so it stays on for a longer period of time and it stays on in general. So this one is an eye primer. This glitter one, I got this one with like another palette that I actually don't use anymore, and I think I threw it away. Or maybe I have it, but I don't use it. I have this with an eyeshadow palette, and you can't even see the like what it says Makeup Revolution. I'm telling you right now. See, because it's all like faded away, because I don't know. It's kind of a cheap one, but yeah. And the last thing is this MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour extended eye base primer. So this is the actual primer that I really use. It's the normal eye primer. It comes in a tube. Yeah, and it's a nude color, of course, because like you don't want to see it underneath all your eyeshadow. The next pocket I'm going to be opening is this big main pocket in here, right here. And when you open this pocket, the first thing I'm going to be pulling out is my Neutrogena makeup wipes. These, because you need makeup wipes. I didn't have makeup wipes like. I'm new at makeup, but I didn't have makeup wipes until I got this at Nordstrom Rack. And these are like amazing. I used to use like regular wipes and my eyes would like burn and it takes forever just to like wipe it off. But these ones, it takes like one or two little like hard pushes. Sometimes I might use them more of the time, but these are amazing. Neutrogena makeup wipes, cleansing towelettes. These are the best, I'm telling you. And then I'm pulling out this Tarte Cosmetics Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette, and this one is like probably one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I ordered this one for more fancier like events like dances or fancy dinners or whatever, because it's very sparkly. As you can see, also it's very messy. But yeah, so you can see everything, all the palettes and stuff in here. And yeah, so that's this palette. I got this one at Sephora in the mall. Oh man. The next thing I'm pulling out is this Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette, and I got this one on Sephora online, and this is like my new favorite eyeshadow palette. It's just like, you know, plain simple like nudish kind of colors. Not really, but you know, I mostly wear like the colors that are like right here because I'm not like too crazy again. So yeah, and I usually use this mirror too when I do my makeup. And yeah, so this is this big palette, and I got it Sephora online through the website. The last thing I'm pulling out in this pocket is this MAC Prissy Princess eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. I got this at the mall in the MAC store. My aunt bought me it actually, so thank you. And so this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm trying not to let this like plastic fall because it protects the mirror. But yeah, that's what it looks like on the inside. This one has to be also like a highlighter for your face and for your eyeshadow, so that's really cool. It's a really simple, like, nude-ish makeup eyeshadow palette. Yeah, nothing too crazy. I don't really like anything crazy. I'm more of a natural makeup person. Like, usually when I put on makeup, you can't even tell that I have it on. So the last pocket I'm going to be showing you is the one that is right here. It's this pocket right here. You can't even tell that it's there, but there's a zipper right here. So, like, it's just this one right here. And this is where I keep all of my eyeshadow brushes. Because, again, I only really wear eyeshadow and lipstick and mascara. It's, like, all up here. It's not any of the other stuff. So, yeah. So I'm just going to take out all of them. So the first brush I have is MAC 234, in case you're wondering. This is the main brush I use, and obviously I tried to put the plastic back on, but I got stuck, so we can just ignore that. MAC 234. This is the brush that I always use for eyeshadow, so there's a lot like left on it, but you know, it's kind of all over the eyebrow. And then we have MAC 233, and this is the smaller brush. This one I'm going to keep the plastic on. I actually put it on correctly, so yeah. So yeah, this is an even smaller brush, MAC 233, and it's not focusing. There we go. Yeah, so same purpose as the last one, but yeah, something smaller. And then these next brushes I actually got in a bag, in a set through Sephora's website, and they came in a bag, and I still had the bag in my bathroom, but like the bag wouldn't fit in this makeup bag, so I kind of just took them all out and was like, you know what, whatever. So yeah, so we have the Sephora. This is the all over shadow brush. This is the one that you use to, you know, just do it all over the eye. And then we have this one, which is the angled liner brush. So when you put it on like eyeliner, you can use this one. The tapered crease brush. So this is one that goes inside your crease right here. And then we have this small shadow brush. So this one you can also use for eyeshadow all over the eye, but it's just a smaller amount. And lastly we have the shader. So this, I think, is the one that you use to blend in your eye. So yeah, so those are those 5 brushes. So yeah, that's everything in my makeup bag, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and be sure to hit that big red button that says subscribe down below, and also please hit the notification bell right next to it so you can be notified every single time that I post a video. Again, I hope you guys had a fantastic Thanksgiving and are having a fantastic Thanksgiving weekend. Don't go too crazy at Black Friday, you know, all that stuff. And yeah, see you next month.